Welcome, superheroes. How are you today? Done saving the world? Ready for a break? Then today's guided meditation is especially for you. My name is Andrea, and thank you for being here and supporting this channel. Make sure to write your requests in the comments, and who knows, I might make a video out of them. Now let's get comfortable, get your comfy pillows ready, and let's begin. Today, I'm going to stay seated, but you're more than welcome to lay down, sit comfortably somewhere, or simply close your eyes and listen. Wherever you are, begin to allow the body to settle. Make any adjustments that you may need to make yourself even more comfortable. Take your time, find that position that's just right for you. As you're ready, allow your body to begin to settle on the surface it's resting on. Sense your body softening, getting heavy as it rests more and more on the surface underneath you. Allow the body to get heavier and heavier, softer and softer with each breath. Become aware of your breath and your breathing, the gentle flow of air as you inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If it helps, think of your breath as ocean waves, cresting and falling, the sounds ebbing and flowing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now imagine your whole body becoming light, as light and weightless as a feather. Your head is light and weightless. Your arms and legs are light and weightless. Your whole body is light and weightless, like a feather. Now imagine your whole body becoming heavier and heavier, like a heavy weight on the floor. Feel the heaviness in all parts of the body. Your head is heavy. Your arms and legs are heavy. Your whole body is so heavy, it is sinking, softening, resting more and more on the surface underneath you, like a heavy weight on the floor. Return to noticing yourself breathing. Sense a gentle flow of air as you inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. However you are today, remember, you are enough. You are enough. You are enough. Invite a sense of ease as you reflect on these words. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. If you like, repeat them to yourself 3 times. Rest like this for as long as you like. If your mind wanders, come back to noticing your breath and your breathing. Sense a gentle flow of air as you inhale and exhale. When ready, take a moment to welcome yourself in the space you're in. Notice sounds, colors, the feel of the air on your skin. Take your time. Go slow. You can do this meditation as often and as many times as you like. Before bed, upon waking, or try any of the other meditations on this channel. Keep up the good work, superheroes. Keep slaying those zombies. And thank you. I'll see you next time.